Welcome to Mega Kit. Today we are going to see MK009 under voltage over voltage monitor. Digital under over voltage monitor indicates the input signal voltage and switches off the system if the voltage goes below or above preset level. Two separate presets are provided to set upper and lower limit. Now let us see how it works. First, we will give supply and signal to the circuit. If the signal is within the limit, relay will be on. Now let us see Now signal is going low. As soon as it crosses lower limit, relay will be off. The lower limit is set at 2 volt. Now let us see if it crosses upper limit, that is set at 4 volt. Relay will be off. Relay will normally on within the limit of 2 and 4 volt. The signal level is set at 3 volt and lower limit at 2 volt and upper limit at 4 volt. Now let us see the circuit diagram. Digital under over voltage monitor indicates the input signal voltage and switches off the system if voltage goes below or above preset level. Two separate presets are provided to set up upper and lower limit. The signal can be anything AC, DC up to 12 volt, D5 to D8. Diode rectifies AC signal and filtered by C2. Preset P1 with R1, R2 sets the appropriate signal level so that 2 volt DC DPM will show actual input voltage. IC2 LM358 dual op-amp is used here as a comparator. The signal is fed to positive input pin 3 and 5 of op-amp. Preset P2 and P3 along with R3 to R6 are used to set the upper and lower voltage set points. IC3, IC4, CD4093 quad NAND gates are used here. N1, N2, N3, N4, N5 forms XOR gate. In healthy condition, the input voltage is in between upper and lower limit. In the input voltage is below upper limit means pin 1 of op-amp will high and input voltage above lower limit means pin 7 of the op-amp will be low. The output of the gate N1 pin 3 will be high. Transistor BC547 T1, T2 forms relay driving circuit and relay will be on when pin 3 is high. If the input voltage goes below the preset level, pin 7 of the op-amp will high. It will toggle the gate N1 to go logic 0 and relay will be off. If voltage goes above the preset level, pin 1 will go low and once again gate N1 will toggle to switch off the relay. The upper, lower and input signal voltages are connected to 3 volt DC digital panel meter by single pole 3-way rotary switch. So you can read all the 3 voltages on the meter by selecting appropriate positions. Now let us see the part list. Now let us see the parts required. Printed circuit board MK009, component side, quantity 1 number. PCB MK008, track side. IC1 LM7805, regulator IC, quantity 1 number. IC2 LM358, dual op-amp, quantity 1 number with socket. IC3 IC4 CD4093, quad NAND gate, quantity 2 number with socket. T1 T2 BC547 NPN transistors, quantity 2 number. D1 to D9 1N4007, rectifier diode, quantity 9 number. LED 1 3 mm, red LED, quantity 1 number. C1 C2 1000 microfarad 25 volt electrolytic capacitor, quantity 2 number. C3 100 microfarad 25 volt electrolytic capacitor, quantity 1 number. P1 P2 P3 100K preset, quantity 3 number. RL1 to RL8 4K7 1/4 watt CFR resistor, quantity 8 number. RL1 12 volt DC 1 changeover relay, quantity 1 number. FW1 1 pole 3-way switch, quantity 1 number. Hi, I am Hemant Parab from Mega Kit, your single point source for all your needs of electronic project kits. For the further detail, please contact Dolphin Electronics, C2, second floor, Sri Ganesh Building, opposite PCMC Bulb Depot, Bhosri, Pune 411039. My WhatsApp number is 92255011142. My email ID is dolphinproxy@gmail.com. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.